Good evening, student. Welcome to today class. Today we will discuss unit plan. A unit is a comprehensive and significant aspect of the environment of an original science of an art or of conduct which being learned result in an adaptation of personality. According to S.C. Maurices, first we will discuss the learning objective of our today lecture. The student will be able to know the meaning of unit plan. The student will be able to know the features of unit plan. The student will be able to know the steps of unit plan. The student will be able to know the characteristics and importance of unit plan. The student will be able to know the procedures of unit plan. To understand unit plan, it is a crucial to know what they stand for. The former is generally prepared by teacher to ensure the objectives of teaching meet their target and learning happen successfully. The later comprises of numerics lesson plan and is made to serve for a long run, like for a month or a semester. Similarity between uh, lesson plan and unit plan, them are uh, not that hard to notice. Both follow same approaches but only differ in their purpose and objectives of certain or in creation of lesson plan and unit plan. If one pays close attention of unit and lesson plan, uh, sample template, she or he can easily comprehend the difference. To develop effective lesson plan, teacher will want to utilize unit plan design. These designs are gathered toward helping teacher to organize and plan what will be done in the classroom in order to help students achieve long-term goals that have been set for the class. Think of them as the in between step in breaking established year long plans into lesson plan. Teacher used to plan daily classroom exercise. As a teacher, complete their year long planning specific themes will emerge, which will in turn become individual unit. For example, a year long math plan might include decimal operation and a theme unit of place, uh, value, money, and measurement might develop. The focus of the planning continues to narrow from year long plans to unit plans. A unit plan follows similar format as the lesson plan but cover an entire unit of work for week, month or semester. It is imperative to demonstrate the principal objective of a curriculum and how to exercise and assess and uh, commences session for students in different classes. Unit design are frequently utilized for making syllabus and instructional year plan. The planning for the unit is known as unit plan. Usually, after the year plan, the teacher plan for the unit plan. So the year plan should therefore be ready before on start preparing the uh, unit plan. Teacher expected to organize the content of the textbook on the subject matter into suitable unit. This is necessary when the matter is not systematically presented in the textbook. Unitary teaching necessitate in interlocking interlooking of idea in order to achieve full understanding. Definition of unit plan. A unit consists of a comprehensive series of related and meaningful activity to achieve the purpose educational objective by providing significant educational experiences that would be result in appropriate behavior changes in the learner. We also discuss another definition of a unit plan. A unit is a comprehensive and significant aspect of the uh, environment of an organized science, of an art or conduct which being learned, consult in an adaptation of personality. This definition given by uh, Henry. Now we will discuss the characteristics of unit plan. First, characteristics of unit plan effectively in terms of whole rather than fraction. Second, characteristics of unit plan developmental and therefore provide for vertical and horizontal organization of learning experiences. Next, characteristics of unit plan effective when is an understanding and acceptance of goal to be achieved and there is full and free participation in planning for attainment of those goals. Necessity for providing for individual difference in rates of learning and interest. Next characteristics of unit plan. Unit planning recognize that true learning reander and learners increasingly uh, scale in self direction. Next characteristics of unit plan. Unit planning provide sound base for evaluation. These are the main characteristics of unit plan. Now we will discuss the steps of unit plan. First, selection and systemization of unit. First step is selection and systematization of unit. The first step in the preparation of unit plan is select a unit from the subject. A unit should be viewed as whole. Second step in unit plan, content analysis. What is second step? Second step is content analysis. After selecting and systematization of the unit, the second step is content analysis. After selecting the unit, the teacher has to analyze its content carefully. This analysis helps the teacher to have a thorough knowledge of the subject matter. In content analysis, teacher also find hard words, main idea of the particular unit, and concept of the particular unit. The next step in unit plan, determination of objective. This is very important point because a teacher preparing uh, prepare year plan, unit plan, and lesson plan for achieving instructional objective. The third step is to determine the major as specific objective that should be realized by teaching this unit. Next step in unit plan, number 4 is learning experiences. Deciding upon the major learning experiences is the next step. This should be objective based, life centered, and learner centered. Next step in unit plan is selecting of teaching aids. For making the learning experiences objective based and effective, a variety of instructional aids may become necessary. The next step is to decide carefully what are the teaching aids should be used. Decide teaching aids which are available in your department and your lab. So decide according to the availability or according to the topic, according to the reach of your goal. Next step in unit plan, evaluation. The type of evaluation tool for assessing the realization of the predetermined goals are to be selected in this stage. Last step in unit plan is assignment. The final step is to decide upon the assignment to be given to a student. Always choose assignment according to interest, aptitude, and age of the student. Now we will discuss a component of unit plan. These component suggested by Mercy in 1995, they list 6 components that each unit plan should contain. First, set goal and objective for student. Using content standard, teacher can be to create a unit plan by identifying what they want student to accomplish. This plan should include identifying goals in the form of what student should know or be able to accomplish upon completion of the unit. An example of a science goal might be that student will be able to identify and set the purpose of the major uh, organelles of the cells. Next component of unit plan, choose content. Working within a unit, teacher must identify all of the content that are needs to be taught. For example, a unit on the decimal might include adding, subtracting, multiplying, and uh, dividing numbers that contain decimal. So choose content. Choose instruction method, the third component of uh, unit plan. Uh, Here, the teacher will address the teaching methods uh, that he or she will be used. Uh, this is an opportunity moment to consider the special needs of student in the classroom. Will instruction include direct instruction, uh, cooperative learning experiences, or the reteaching of content to a peers? Some students with writing difficulties might require the additional assistant of peer help or a partially completed notes. By planning ahead, teachers can include strategy to help ensure the success of all students. Next component of unit plan is connect learning activity to experiences. Students need to learn the required content by the end of the unit. Learning activities should be designed to utilize the strength of the student. Determine in what circumstances concrete models and examples could be included to help facilitate understanding. Next component of unit plan is choose and list resources. Be sure to list all of the material necessary to complete the unit. By planning ahead, teacher uh, will help themselves avoid a last minute rush to find the materials they will need to complete specific activities. Choose assessment model. Use assessment that determine whether students have meet unit objective. Select a variety of assessment such as multiple choice test, individual or group project or research paper. Question that should be considered with deciding how student will be evaluated include: do the assessment measure memorization of concept, or do they require student to apply what has been learned? Uh, does the evaluation device actually measure what has the what has been taught? Uh, what level of learning are addressed? These are the basic question uh, arise in when you preparing unit plan and component of the choose assessment. Now we will discuss need and importance of unit plan. Uh, First, it helps teacher to have a holistic view of teaching learning, which may help in organizing time and resources available at this her available at his her uh, disposal. uh, uh, Next, need of unit plan, it help in designing a systematic, sequential and graded arrangement of course content, which may give insight to develop teaching activity in the best possible manner. Next, need of unit plan. It helps in giving a balance emphasizes to various aspects of courses, course content, or uh, competency under references. Uh, next, need of the unit plan. It provides an opportunity to uh, correlate textual content with the competency to be deal within the class. It may help thinking about alternative approaches to to uh, teaching, learning, and adapt to individual differences. Uh, uh, hmm. Next, need of unit plan. It may help unit-wise evaluation of children and in organizing remedial teaching and undertaking enrichment measure as per the requirement. So these are the need of unit plan. Now we will discuss features of unit plan. Learning take place in term of whole then in fractional. Learning is developmental, hence provide for vertical and horizontal uh, organization of the learning experiences. Unit plan recognize the opportunity for self-learning to uh, assignments, project, etc. are planned learner in re-ended directed as assumes responsibility for selection, organization, and evaluation of her own of her own learning experiences. Now we will discuss criteria for good unit. Variety of experiences should be planned because in unit plan we plan many topics, so we include uh, variety of experiences in our unit plan. uh, we use different types of method. We use different types of teaching models, and we use different types of evaluation method. So whenever we preparing unit plan, unit plan give us a variety of experience uh, uh, us. So a good unit plan always be a variety of experiences should be planned. A related topic should be uh, cubed together. In unit plan, we generally related topic we generally cubed in together. So improve the learning experiences. Uh, so whenever we plan our unit plan, we join the or we cube the related topic. This is the good quality of the uh, unit plan. Unit should be part of sequence. uh, Learning outcome should be considered important. Should be the result of student and teacher cooperative planning. Now we will discuss merit of unit plan. It is also flexible to deal with a wide range of learning situation. It develop the qualities like self-confidence, uh, security, persistency, etc. in the student. Uh, it provide opportunity to the teachers to do experiment with his over idea in collaboration with pupils. It provide opportunity to the teacher to do experiment with his over idea collaboration with pupils. For effective teaching learning process, it is psychological sound approaches. Now we will discuss some demerits and limitation of unit plan. The division of the content of the syllabus into meaningful and complete unit and subunit is not a easy task. The improper and faulty information of the unit and subunit may create hurdles in the path of the teacher and student for proper uh, teaching learning of the subject. So take care whenever you plan unit plan. So unit planning restrict the freedom of the teachers, the predetermined objectives, learning experiences, method and resources, evaluation procedures, etc. Because classroom situation and circumstances cannot be same for every day. So to reduce to eliminate these types of uh, disadvantage, unit plan should be flexible according to the need and situation of the class. You should change your unit plan according to the situation. The teacher and student have no other way than to follow the guideline provided by the unit planning. Uh, Unit planning may make the teacher too much consequence for the implementation of the planned scheme, as the planning become a tedious work without the session. Uh, Resource unit. Now we will discuss resource unit and steps of resource unit. It is a hug collection of material and activities related to a particular topic. It is much more comprehensive than a teaching unit. It is prepared by a group of experts in a particular subject. It is in it in a uh, uh, reserve of knowledge or information for teacher. The uh, steps of preparation for resource unit. First, title. Title should be clear. Title should be according to the content. Introduction of the unit. Uh, General objective. General objective of the unit. Content analysis. In content analysis, you should include basic idea, facts of the content, and the mm, uh, hard words. So, activity. Next step for preparation resource unit is activities, uh, teaching material and sources. Uh, Next step is evaluation uh, process, or last step is reference books. So these are the steps for preparation of resource unit. uh, Title, introduction, journal objectives, content analysis, activities, teaching material and source, evaluation process, and reference book. Uh, what is the difference between lesson plan and a unit plan? A lesson plan explains fundamentally the objective of a specific lesson and how teaching must be planned in an approach to accomplish those objectives. A unit plan then again covers a more extensive zone, a unit that can be uh, incorporate numeracy lessons. The uh, basic difference between a lesson plan and unit plan. Lesson plan, definition of lesson plan, a teacher plan for teaching an individual lesson. Definition of unit plan, plan for a unit which consists of many lessons. It means unit plan is larger than lesson plan, and it unit plan contained consists of many lesson plan. Uh, uh, Lesson plan created by individual teacher, and unit plan created by sectional head or head of the department. uh, Time consumed in lesson plan, cover only one lesson and take only few hours to create. Time consumed in unit plan, covers numerous lesson and take longer hours to create. Aims of objective in lesson plan can include personal aim for teaching development, aims and objective and unit plan can be used for curriculum review. Uh, these are the main difference in lesson plan and unit plan. These are the references you should go through for further more detailed knowledge. Now, these are more references you should note down for more uh, detailed knowledge of unit plan, lesson plan, and year plan. Time for MCQs. Dash planning is planning for the year. A year work. Option A, year plan. Option B, unit plan. Option C, plan. And option D, instructional plan. Choose appropriate answer. Next, MCQs is a systematic procedure for finding out the uh, uh, extent to which the pupils have realized the objectives and specification. Now, option A, year plan. Option B, unit plan. Option C, plan. And option D, instructional plan. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQ, formation of unit is the step, formation of the unit is dash steps in the preparation of a year plan is to reorganize the subject content of the curriculum into suitable unit. Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D 5. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs, in the determining objectives, the teacher has to intelligently anticipate the extent of which the various objective can be achieved through different filling the blanks. Option A, unit plan. Option B, formal. Option B, annual. Option D, fixed. Choose appropriate answer. Fifth, the planning for the unit is No, filling the blanks. Usually after the year, the teacher plan the unit plan. Uh, Option A, unit plan. Option B, year plan. Option C, plan. Option D, instruction plan. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs, filling the blanks. Unit is a hub collection of material and activities related to a particular topic. Option A, resource. Option B, material. Option C, subject. Option D, topic. You have four options. Choose one appropriate option. Next MCQs, filling the blanks. Planning may make the teacher too much consequence for the implication of the planned scheme as the planning because a tedious work throughout the session. Option A, unit. Option B, annual. Option C, lesson. Option D, plan. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs, filling the blanks. Uh, uh, Plan help teacher to have holistic view of teaching learning, which may help in organize the time or resources available at his disposal. Option A, unit. Option B, lesson. Option C, annual. Option D, instruction. Choose appropriate answer. Next MCQs, uh, filling the blanks. Analysis help the teacher to have a thorough knowledge of the subject matter. Option A, content. Option B, subject. Option C, unit. Option D, annual. Choose appropriate answer. Next and last MCQs is filling the blanks. Plan help teacher to inculcate certain aims with the help of certain activities throughout the year. Option A, year plan. Option B, plan. Option C, unit. Option D, instruction. Choose appropriate answer. Thank you, student. You listen me patiently. Have a good day.